Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Like Me, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Isa.
And I'm James. Great to have you here with us today.
Hi, James. How's your day going?
Hi, Isa. It's going well, thank you. I actually just finished a video call with my team at work. How about you?
Busy day. I had 3 meetings this morning. Speaking of work, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today.
Oh, really? That's perfect timing. What aspect of work are we covering?
Today, we're going to learn how to talk about your job and workplace in English.
That's such a useful topic. Work vocabulary is essential for everyday conversations.
Absolutely. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, hit that like button and share this video with anyone who wants to improve their English. It really helps us continue making these lessons.
So, James, are you ready to talk about work in English?
I'm ready. I think this is one of the most common conversation topics when you meet someone new.
You're right. One of the first questions people ask is, what do you do? Or where do you work?
Exactly. And it's important to know how to describe your job, your workplace, and your daily tasks.
Yes, today we'll learn vocabulary for jobs, office items, daily activities at work, and useful phrases.
That sounds perfect. Should we start by talking about what we do?
Yes, let's have a natural conversation about our jobs and our listeners can learn with us.
So, Isa, tell me about your job. What do you do?
I work as a content creator. I make educational videos and write articles about English learning. What about you, James? What's your job?
I'm a software developer. I write code and create programs for a technology company.
That's interesting. Where do you work? Do you work in an office?
I work in a modern office building in the city center, but sometimes I work from home too. We have a hybrid schedule. What about you? Where do you work?
I mostly work from home. I have a small home office with my computer, desk, and recording equipment. But occasionally, I go to our studio downtown.
Working from home is very convenient. What time do you usually start work?
I usually start at 9 a.m. and finish around 6 p.m., but my schedule is flexible. What are your working hours, James?
My schedule is 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., Monday to Friday. We have a 1-hour lunch break at noon.
That's a good schedule. So, what do you do on a typical workday? What are your daily tasks?
Well, in the morning, I usually check my emails first. Then I attend a team meeting where we discuss our projects. After that, I spend most of the day writing code and testing programs.
Sounds productive. Do you have many meetings?
Yes, I have about 2 or 3 meetings per day. Sometimes they're video calls with clients, and other times they're quick meetings with my colleagues. What about you, Isa? What's your typical workday like?
My days vary a lot. In the morning, I usually plan my content and write scripts. Then I record videos, edit them, and post them online. I also answer comments and messages from our community.
That sounds like a lot of work. Do you work alone or with a team?
I work with a small team. I have a video editor who helps with editing and a designer who creates graphics. We communicate mostly through email and messaging apps. Do you work in a team too?
Yes, I work in a team of 6 developers. We sit together in an open plan office. We also have a project manager who organizes our tasks.
Nice. Tell me, what equipment do you use at work? What's on your desk?
On my desk, I have a computer with 2 monitors, a keyboard, a mouse, and a notebook for writing notes. I also have a desk lamp and a coffee mug. Oh, and my headphones. I use them for video calls and when I need to focus.
2 monitors. That's very professional. I have similar items on my desk: a laptop, a microphone for recording, headphones, a camera, and lots of notebooks. I also have a whiteboard on the wall for planning ideas.
A whiteboard is very useful. Do you have other equipment in your office?
Yes, I have a printer for documents, a filing cabinet to organize papers, and some bookshelves with English learning books. What about your office? What else is there?
Our office has meeting rooms with projectors and whiteboards. We have a kitchen area with a coffee machine, microwave, and refrigerator. There's also a reception desk at the entrance and a comfortable break room where we can relax.
That sounds like a nice office. Who do you work with? Can you tell me about your colleagues?
Sure, my boss is named Mr. Anderson. He's the head of our department. He's very supportive and helpful. Then there's my team leader, Sarah. She manages our daily projects and assigns tasks to us.
And what about your coworkers? Do you get along well with them?
Yes, my coworkers are great. There's Tom, who sits next to me. He's very experienced and always helps when I have questions. Lisa and Mark are also on my team. We often have lunch together and sometimes go for coffee during our breaks.
It's important to have good relationships at work. I don't see my team in person often, but we have video calls every week. We're all friends and support each other.
That's wonderful. Do you ever meet clients or customers?
Sometimes, I occasionally meet with sponsors or partners for our channel. We discuss collaborations and projects. What about you? Do you interact with clients?
Yes. Sometimes I have meetings with clients to understand what they need. We present our work and get feedback. It's an important part of the job.
So, James, what do you like most about your job?
I really enjoy solving problems with code. It's like a puzzle. I also like working with my team and learning new technologies. What about you? What do you like about your work?
I love creating content that helps people learn English. It's very rewarding when students leave positive comments saying they've improved. I also enjoyed the creative process of making videos.
That must be very satisfying. Is there anything challenging about your job?
Yes, sometimes it's challenging to manage my time because I have many different tasks. I need to write, record, edit, and engage with the community. It can be overwhelming. What challenges do you face?
The biggest challenge for me is dealing with tight deadlines. Sometimes we need to finish projects very quickly, and that can be stressful. But my team helps a lot.
Teamwork is so important. Overall, though, we both enjoy our jobs, right?
Absolutely. Even with challenges, I'm happy with my career choice.
We've covered so much work vocabulary today, James. Let's review the key points for our listeners.
Great idea. First, when talking about your job, you can use these phrases. I work as a or I'm a. For example, I work as a teacher or I'm a doctor.
Perfect. And to talk about your workplace, you can say, I work at an office, I work from home, I work at a hospital, or I work for a company.
Excellent. Now let's review some important work vocabulary. Common jobs include teacher, doctor, nurse, engineer, manager, designer, accountant, lawyer, chef, and receptionist.
And important office items are desk, chair, computer, keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, phone, notebook, pen, and filing cabinet.
Don't forget about workplace locations: meeting room, office, reception, break room, kitchen, conference room, and workspace.
Yes, and daily work activities. Remember these useful verbs: answer emails, attend meetings, make phone calls, write reports, talk to clients, work on projects, use a computer, take breaks, and have lunch.
Those are all very practical. For talking about colleagues, remember boss, manager, coworker, colleague, team member, supervisor, and employee.
And time-related phrases: working hours, schedule, shift, lunch break, deadline, and overtime.
To describe your work, you can use adjectives like busy, challenging, interesting, rewarding, stressful, flexible, or demanding.
Perfect summary, James. Our listeners now have a complete vocabulary set for talking about work in English.
I really enjoyed talking about work with you today, Isa.
Me too, James. I learned that you work as a software developer in an office, you have 2 monitors on your desk, and you work with a great team.
And I learned that you work as a content creator from home. you use lots of recording equipment, and you love helping people learn English.
Exactly. This was such a practical conversation.
I hope our listeners found it useful too. Work vocabulary is essential for everyday life.
Absolutely. Whether you're looking for a job, already working, or just want to have conversations about work, this vocabulary will help you.
Remember, practice makes perfect. Try using these words and phrases in your daily life.
Yes, don't be afraid to describe your job or workplace in English. It's a great way to practice.
Well, I think it's time to wrap up today's lesson.
Time really does fly. This was a wonderful conversation.
Before we go, let's ask our listeners for a favor.
Yes, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Speak English Like Me. We post new lessons every week.
And don't forget to like this video. It helps other English learners find our content.
Please share it with friends, family, or coworkers who are learning English.
And now for our question of the day. We want you to practice in the comments.
Yes, write in the comments, what is your job? Or if you're a student, what do you want to be? Use this format. I work as a, or I want to be a.
For example, I work as a nurse, or I want to be a graphic designer. Keep it simple and practice.
We can't wait to read about your jobs and career goals.
Thank you all so much for watching today.
Thank you, everyone. Keep practicing your English every day. You're doing great.
We'll see you in the next episode. Take care and goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. Bye, James, and good luck with your work projects.
Thank you, Isa. Good luck with your videos too.